Hi friends, how are you all? Today we will start our new unit India water resources. In this unit we will discuss about especially five important topics. Our first topic is sources of fresh water. Dear friends, this unit is very short but interesting. First of all, our topic is sources of water. There are three types of sources of water. First, rainwater. Rain is the original source of water on the earth. River, lake, stream, and well are secondary source. All these sources are due to rainfall. Now, surface water. The water on the surface earth is found in the form of the river, lake, pond, seas, streams is called surface water. Next is groundwater. Groundwater is an important source of water. It is used for irrigation purpose. This water is also useful for domestic and industrial use through wells and tube wells. There is overuse of the groundwater, so care should be taken to replenish it through rainwater harvesting. Our second topic is irrigations. Okay, water resource and uses. Second topic, main topic is our irrigation. After independence, the irrigate area in India has increased 4 times. Irrigation is practiced in about 38% of net sown area. More than 40% area, the total area sown is under irrigation in Haryana, UP, Punjab, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu and Manipur. There is a difference regarding the area under irrigation in every state. Coastal districts in Andhra Pradesh, delta regions of Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi and Kaveri have intensive irrigations. In Mizoram, only 7.3 of the total area sown in under irrigation, while in Punjab is 90.8%. Here is difference. As well as tube wells are used for irrigations, the groundwater resource has decreased. The country is facing several problems, as some states extra groundwater in large volumes, causing a decrease in the groundwater. Our next topic is different types of multi-purpose project. Okay, dear students, just remember it. Which type of rivers and states are project of India? So first is Bhakra Nagal. Which river is there? Satluj river and states Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Dear students, here we have chart. Okay, you see and understand it carefully. If you have any doubt or problem, then contact me. Second is our project is Kosi. This project's names are Kosi. Which river? Kosi, river Kosi. But where is it? It is in Bihar. Third is Damodar Valley, river Damodar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Fourth is Hirakud, Mahanadi, Orissa. Chambal Valley, river is Chambal, and where is it? Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Next is Nagarin Sagar, river is Krishna, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So you see here chart and you read it. Okay, if you read and understand, then you will get a very marks in exam. Okay, but understand where is what is the name of project, which river is there, and which states are there. Okay, dear students, our next topic is water crisis. Water crisis means shortage of water. Okay, water is a natural gift, but it is limited. Dear students, you know the importance of water. With increased population's availability of pure potable water has become a problem. Our next fourth topic is water crisis. Urbanizations and change in lifestyles of people has increased the usage of water. There is a lot of inequality in the distribution of water. A lot of water is required to grow grains and cash crop, washing clothes, many things. As well as new types are used for irrigation, the groundwater resource has decreased. Serious problems like reduction in the quality of water and increasing scarcity have to be faced. Besides agriculture, water is used in industries in uncontrolled quality. Main sources of water are polluted by effluents from industries and domestically used water. The water crisis is in a very alarming stage. Alarming means danger stage in arid regions of western Rajasthan and the interior area of southern Peninsula Plateau. Even today there is a several shortage of drinking water in about 8% towns and in about 50% of the villages in India. The water crisis is a challenge. So water shortage of water is challenge to human livelihood and economic development. Okay, our next topic and last topic. Uh, our next topic is what points should be considered for water management. Okay, water is life, dear students. So it should be used economically for gardens, vehicles, toilets, and wash basins. Through public awareness, the local people should be made to participate in water conservations and its skill management. If possible, the water should be recycled. Save the water reservoirs from pollutions. Water from different water bodies like wells, tube wells, and farm ponds should be used instead of using up one source. Avoid should be capped on the industrial unit that use of groundwater. Repair the water pipes so that water sources are not polluted. We can see many places water are wastage. No uniform steps for water management can be applied for every area. This is our last topic. Following points should be considered for water management. I read, if possible, recycle use, increase the use of all units of water, keep of wash units, those are using groundwater. So, dear students, here we complete our this unit. Unit 11 is over, and now we have only 4 units remaining. 15. I completed unit 1 to 5, 8 to 11. Now 4 units are remaining. 15 to 17 and 20. Okay, thank you.